not like and subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And today I wanted to just kind of go over what's happening this week ahead. I think this week is very important week, lot of events happenings, and also I want to go over where we are with the SPY and QQQ. So let's get it started. This is going to be a really busy week, and on Wednesday we have a FOMC meeting, right? So Federal Reserve does these meetings regularly, and you can actually go to federalreserve.gov and see about what they did for the last meeting and whatnot, right? So if you see July 26, 27, which is Wednesday and Thursday, right? 24, no, Tuesday and Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday, 24, 25, 26. Yep, Tuesday and Wednesday. So basically, I think 75 is pretty much given 0.75 interest rate hike, but they may go basically 1% as well. 1% has not, I don't think it has ever been after 1980s. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think 75 is expected if they raise to 1%. Let's see how the market reacts. So that's very, so again, it depends upon the sentiment, right? How is the overall economy, and how aggressive they will be coming back. So that's Wednesday, so you gotta keep watching, right? So Wednesday 2:30, it usually happen 2:30. Then that's one of the big. The other thing is earnings, right? We have kind of mixed earnings. So last week we had earning start with the Netflix, and Netflix did pretty good. I think they did not lose that many subscribers, so they went up a little bit. But this is the major week, right, where you have a major all the tech companies, basically Alphabet, Google's, Facebook, Meta, right, Amazon, I think Apple too, right? So pretty much all the tech company, right, all the heavyweight, almost 30 to 40, almost 50% of the 50% weight in the QQQ, they have the earnings. So watch out for the earnings, right? So how they, I think earnings will be probably okay, but it all depends the how the guidance gonna be, right? So earning probably depend upon if they basically kind of beat expectations really good. We may see really good rally, like we have Shopify as well. So all eyes on the earnings, and we have tons. I think like on Monday we don't have much, but from Tuesday after a close we get Alphabet, Microsoft, Visa, right? So same like Wednesday we have Meta. So if you want to gamble, a lot of opportunity to gamble on the earnings, which I don't suggest, but we'll get the overall direction, right? Like how is the forecast, right? So Thursday we have Amazon and Apple. So lot of earnings, so that's another major news. And the others, finally the other big event is GDP, right? So GDP second quarter for 2022 advanced estimate gonna be on 8:30 on Thursday. So with that we'll actually know if we are in a recession. Did we, if the GDP is less than the previous quarter, right? So are we going into recession or something? So we will get a first look. Again, this is the advanced estimate, but usually it's correct, right? So that's really right. So a lot of people are saying we won't even go to a recession, so we don't know. So that's then the event and how the market reacts. So now let's get back to the charting, and let's look at the how the SPY and QQQ are doing, right? So SPY, if you see, we really bottomed out to 362, and from them I think we have pretty good really strength, like last few days, a few weeks, like a week, so almost a week, 10 days, pretty strong price action on the SPY. Finally we made kind of lowers, we bid that lower. So we are right around 90-95. So I really want to see it go over this. I think this was the really key area, which is holdings, and we dumped really hard. I think it was what was it? I think this was like was it the Fed meetings? Yeah, I think it was the last Fed meetings. Yeah, last Fed meeting. It was the last Fed meetings. We really kind of went bottom, but we have since recovered pretty good. And let's see if we hold this 380 390 area, and I'll be really bullish if we cross this 417 420. That's what I'm looking for. Till then, still, maybe, I mean, if you have really good earnings, we can go. But right now, still, just play day by day, not really gonna go long or short. Again, let's look at the QQQ. I haven't looked at the QQQ, and I haven't actually not traded. Pretty much same chart, right? Same thing happened. This is the area I'm looking, right? So uh, 3 15 20, right? We need to really strongly close. But one thing you can see in QQQ is it's making higher lows and higher highs, right? Like we're making like lower lows and lower highs, but finally we are making so far, right? But we need to basically cross this one. If we cross this one, I think maybe at least we'll get good short-term relief rally. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have guys have any question or comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you and have a great day.